So I prepared a meal for a particular reason because everybody's always asking me, Shonda, how do you eat with dentures? And I bet y'all like, we got teeth there. Why you ain't got the ones in the bottom? I'm about to show you. But let me show you what this is first. So I made my falafels in my cookbook. And I got it in my wrap that's in my vegan cookbook also. So the thing is, I never get a chance to eat this with my dentures because it's always getting under my teeth. And it's so annoying. But let me show y'all what I'm doing today. This is the cushion grip. Deep cushion grip, okay? So I'm going to put these in and we're going to eat with them and see how it worked with this meal. Hold on. Every time I put these in with the cushion grip, I just feel so like, I just can't explain it. But let me show you. All right, y'all, I'm so nervous. Let's see. I am eating falafel, y'all, without taking my teeth out. No food is getting under there. Look. And then, what I like about cushion grip is there's no like aftertaste. Like, no, you know how when you put other stuff up under your denture, it be like a weird taste. There's no taste. There's no taste. There's no taste. Let me just, and then I got cucumbers and tomatoes on them. I can enjoy falafel without removing my teeth. Cushion. Let me just take my bite. So you mean tell me I can eat a falafel in front of people? And I ain't gotta do all this. Yo. Let me just take one more bite just to see, just to make sure. If y'all having trouble eating, I'm just saying. I hear a lot of y'all can't eat salads with dentures. I don't have that problem. Oh my goodness. Let me go enjoy my food, because this is just, take a picture of it. Just a little.